Max, wake up! What? It's so early. Why are you whispering?
It's Mom's birthday today. We need to make her a surprise cake.
A cake? But we don't know how to bake.
We need flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. I'll get the eggs.
Careful, careful. Okay, flour, got it. How much do we need?
2 cups.
Let me just... Oh no! What now? I think I put too much flour.
We don't have milk. We used it all for cereal.
What are you two doing in there?
Nothing. We're just making breakfast.
Okay, I'm coming.
Quick, hide the bowl. Hide the eggs.
Oh, kids, that's so sweet. But you made a huge mess.
We're sorry, Dad.
Don't be sorry. I'll help you.
Really? You'll help us?
Of course. Let's clean this up and start fresh.
But the cake!
I'll make the cake with you, and we'll make sure Mom doesn't see.
You're the best dad ever! Can we add sprinkles and chocolate chips?
We can add anything you want. It's Mom's birthday.
Okay, let's do this. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter. Mix it! It's so thick.
That's because you forgot the baking powder. Here.
It's rising! Look at it go!
Now put it in the oven. 25 minutes.
I'm so excited! Mom is gonna love it. It's done! It's done!
Careful, it's hot. Let it cool, then we can decorate it.
I'll get the sprinkles and the chocolate chips. It looks beautiful. It smells even better.
Oh my goodness! You made this for me?
We wanted to surprise you.
And we made a huge mess, but it was worth it. Let's all have a piece.
I'm so proud of you two.
We're proud of us too. Happy birthday, Mom! We love you!
I love you 3 more than anything.
This is the best birthday ever.
Because we did it together! Because we did it together!